Hey y'all, guess what? Parade just launched at Target, and look, that's the CEO. She's cool. Anyway, so I don't know who put that random clothes there. Ignore that, but this is all the selection they have: bralettes, underwear, and I fixed it here so I can see clearly. Okay, I'm gonna start in the middle. These are all bralettes. They have petite sizes all the way to plus sizes. These are cute red ones. These are cute triangle shaped black ones. I was like, ooh. And then these are khaki. And now I had to move that out of the way, and this is the traditional black ones. And now the underwears, these are like high rise. I like the color, so spring. And these are more like bikini thong wear, red, purple. And this I caught my eye. I was like, briefs are for me, the blues especially. I was like, and obviously we have black. I was like, oh my god, I need this one. I was like, oh, this is another blue one. How cute. I was like, oh, I saw lime green, and then those are nudes. Okay, I was like, oh, that angle though. Okay, so I decided to go with the pink and the lime green, and I'm so clumsy it fell on the floor. But yeah, these are the ones that I chose, and off to go check out. Yay. And this is my outfit for today. I'm using the Parade hoodie. And yeah, make sure once you shop, you scan for a surprise, because there's going to be 5 lucky winners that are going to be able to win $1,000. So please make sure to enter. Bye. Hey, hi guys. Guess what? Oh yeah, this lip shade looks so good on me. This Lawless lip balm in the shade Sugar Plum. It looks better than the pink ones that I was using. This looks more like my skin, so it looks healthy. It doesn't look, I don't look washed off. So reds, browns look good on me. I'm noticing these brick tones instead of the light baby pink ones. Those are hard to pull off. So yeah, in case you're not interested in the shade, it's a good neutral shade for every day. Anyways, so today I'm gonna do kind of like an unboxing. Well, not really. Well, yeah, because on Monday I went to Target because Parade launched at Target. Parade invited me to a Target event, so it's my first ever beauty event I've ever gone to. Well, not really beauty, it's fashion event because it's closed, but basically first social media event that I went to. But it wasn't traditional at all. It was just, they just sent me a gift card in the mail through email, and then we just have to go buy it and create content at the store, literally. And I was thinking, oh, maybe there's gonna be like people there from Parade and we're just gonna meet each other, or if not like the people that are also gonna go, like myself, but like the people in charge. I don't freaking know. But no, it wasn't like that. Nobody was there. It was not like a traditional event like they even told us. But I was like still expecting a little something, you know. It was not an event at all. I didn't feel like it. It was just, you go to a store, buy the things with your gift card, and just go home. Literally, it was just that. So it was like a traditional Target day. Except for free. I didn't pay for anything. So yeah, they gave me $25 gift card, so I just got 2 things. So I'm gonna show you. Got, guess what? 2 underwears. I still haven't washed them or anything. I haven't tried them on yet, but there are 2 different sizes. They are both briefs. So the first one is my favorite, obviously, is the lime green one, and it says in the color Acid, and it's a brief. This one's in the size medium. So yeah, this is $11. So I was so excited because finally they have a store in person, because for the past year and a half I've just been ordering online because they only had it online. Literally, they didn't have an actual store. Well, they had one in New York, and then I think it's not there anymore. But finally, they added in Target, so everybody can go in person and, you know, try it on to make sure it fits. Because half of the clothes, well, not half, maybe I'm exaggerating, but most of the clothes don't fit because I ordered online and you can really try it on, so I'm like, crap. So I don't really use some of the stuff that I bought from them, but listen, I need to lose weight so it can fit me. But anyway, so now when you go to Target, you don't know which size you are, you can finally go in the fitting room and you don't have to waste money or like guess like, okay, what's my size kind of thing. So that's kind of cool, and everybody can buy it now because everybody goes to Target, so it's easier for people to buy stuff from them. So I don't know, I forgot to ask if I can use my discount code at the store as well or just online. I don't know, but anyways, yes, I just got 2 underwears. I mean, I have a lot right now, but you can never go wrong with having a lot of extra pairs, because you know. So I already have one of these type of underwear from them, but not this color. I have like the black one, the brown. I used to have a yellow one, but I gave it away. And what other color do I have? I can't remember. But now I have this lime green too, so yay. So okay, and this one's the size small. I hope it fits because it looks small for me. But it's a different design right here. It's see-through, but it's still a brief, so it feels the same as the other one. It's just a different cut or style right here. So it looks nice. I need a pink underwear. I don't have pink underwear. Wait, do I? I don't think so. So I was like, I need, well, actually I do have pink underwear, but not this pink. It's like a light pink, and they are shorts type from Parade. So I was like, I think I need pink, because I was like, I saw blue. I was like, I always get blue, and everybody got that one because I couldn't really find my size. So I mean, maybe I could have gotten the size smaller, but I don't want to wear it too tight, you know. So I was like, you know what, let me just get the pink one. So that was that. And this is, you see, it's small in the color Dream House, and they're both $11. So yeah, and the clothes in Target are pretty expensive. It's not Walmart. Well, actually there's some expensive things there now, but yeah, I was like, I kind of want bralettes that they had at the store, but I was like, no, I was not gonna be able to, you know, be free if I use a gift card. So yeah, that's why I just only got 2 things. If not, I would have gotten like more bras, but no. I'm tricky. Hold on. But yeah, thank you, Parade. So yeah, definitely go at the store in person and go check out their stuff. They only have a small selection right now. They're just starting out. It was just bralettes and underwear. They didn't have like shirts or hoodies or clothes, regular clothes, but they do online, but you know, not in actual store yet. So yeah, just in case you're wondering. So oh, and I took forever to find the Parade section. I had to do like 2 rounds literally because I couldn't find the clothes. I was like, oh, don't tell me that they don't have it yet, or what happened. So I took forever, and finally I found it. It's in the section where the underwears are in the lady department, you know, and then the little corner hidden. I was like, oh my gosh, no wonder. And it was so small. Well, not so small, but literally small. So I was like, no wonder I couldn't really see it. I was expecting like a big display, but no. And a lot of people that went to the event was telling the people in charge in Parade, because we're in a little group chat, they're like, I went to the store today and I can't find anything Parade related. Like checked everywhere, and it's not in my store. And then I was like, I'm not the only one that happened. It happened. So, but luckily I was not giving up. I searched the whole damn store until finally I found it. I was not gonna go home without, fully looking. So yeah, you just have to be careful. Like, really, really look at the clothes women's section, and the little corner is and where the underwears are there. It's not gonna be in the big display where all the regular clothes are. Okay, so yeah, just in case, because I was lost too. I was confused. I was like, where is it? But yeah, finally I found it, and I found these underwears. So yeah, I'm just ready to try them on to see if it fits. Like, yeah, that's pretty much it. Get your underwears. I know you need some. They have holes. I'm just kidding. Look, I broke it. So yeah, they have different colors, by the way, and sizes, from extra small to like 3-4 XL I saw. So yeah, because a lot of people on my Instagram say they're plus size, right? They're like, oh, I wish they had my size. When they see me post about it, they think that they only sell petite sizes because I'm petite. But no, there's literally sizes for everyone. If you're a bit oops if you are a plus size girls, okay, so if you have a big booty, if you have a BBL, I'm kidding. So yeah, I'm a tiny girl, so I also struggle with finding clothes that fit. But no, luckily this store has my size too. So they include everyone, if you're tiny or if you're plus size. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that out. Oh crap. So look, because I broke the freaking hanger. It looks ghetto. Okay, so okay, bye. I just wanted to do the quick little unboxing that I got today, and maybe I'll put a clip of me going to the actual store. And yeah, okay, bye. Oh yeah, and I forgot, you see these codes right here? If you scan it, literally you can win a golden ticket, and well, actually 5 people can win it. Oh, they're texting me the parade. Anyways, if you scan literally this and your phone, like, just go like this, take a picture, it takes you to the link where it says golden ticket. Anyways, that link, I'll put it here. If you enter how many times you bought, like, so me, I entered twice because I bought these 2 things from Target. So you can win $1,000. So better enter, because you never know, you might win. I think 5 people are gonna win $100 something for it to total 1,000. I don't think each person individually is gonna win 1,000. I'm not sure, but either way, you're gonna win some money if you get picked. So yeah, make sure you enter if you did buy something from Target. But if you didn't get to buy anything at Target, you just go to their email or something. I'll put it here, and you just tell them, hey, I want to participate, and they'll still let you in even though you didn't buy anything from Target. So yeah, just in case. And they're gonna pick the winner on April 10th. So yeah, keep waiting. Please just enter, because you never know. Like me, like, I have tried entering giveaways and I end up winning, and I'm like, how? Literally, it didn't even think I was gonna win, because there's a bunch of people. But you can be lucky and win money. That's hard to do. That's hard to find now, especially because so yeah, basically you get free clothes from there and free money just for going to Target. Well, actually, no, not free clothes, because I did get the gift card. Probably y'all won't, sorry. But you know, it's kind of like an investment. Like you buy something, but you can also might win it back or even more. Yeah, she's a smart business owner, the lady that owns this brand, because if you buy something from her business, she can't give you money. She gives you money later, well, if you win. So wow, that's smart. Anyways, so yeah, that's basically it. So get your money and yeah, and your chones choninos, and yeah, that's pretty much, or your bras. If you want bras, you don't have to get underwear. I just got underwear, so yeah. Okay, bye for now. Bye.